Hello, students! Today you are having a test. Reading. In your exercise books, write down the date. Test. Reading. You are going to listen and read a text. Its name is The City of Dream, Місто мрії. After reading, you have to do two tasks. Let's read the text together. Let's start. Some people say it's useful to dream. So Peter often imagines the city where he would like to live. It could be quite a big city with not very high buildings, which have large roofs and systems of stores. The streets of the city of his dream would be straight and trees would make shadow for people. There mustn't be any rubbish. All litter would be recycled. People who work for such recycling companies would walk up and down the streets to look for some rubbish for recycling. All energy would come from the sun and the earth. All large roofs have batteries for collecting solar energy. Solar energy could be light the houses and give power for cars. Earth energy would make houses warm in winter. People could use the energy of Earth because it was hot inside. Schools must be the houses of happy childhood. Students would study subjects only in real situations on practice. There wouldn't be any homework, no learning by heart, but there must be some intellectual clubs for listening to poems and literary works. Hospitals would be half empty because all people would have a very nice health. People would be kind and polite as they had few problems. They would have a rest after their work. It mustn't be any additional work, but they could develop their creativity, painting, singing, acting, handmade. Peter understands his dreams are too optimistic, and it may seem they are far from reality. But he prefers repeating, all dreams may come true, early or late. Read the text one more time. You may stop the video anytime you need. Let's do tasks. Task 1. Write down task 1 into your exercise books and put numbers from 1 to 12 in the following way. You are going to read 12 sentences. If a sentence is true, write T at the number of the sentence. If a sentence is false, write F near the number. For example, number 1. Some people advise to dream. In the text, we read, some people say it's useful to dream. The meaning of the sentences is similar. If people say it's useful to dream, it means they can advise to dream. So this sentence is true. Put T at number 1. Go on by yourselves. Number 2. Peter often imagines his desirable place of living. Number 3. The city of his dream has very high buildings. Number 4. In his dream city, all trees must grow in the parks. Number 5. There would be only one very big store in the city. Number 6. People would use only solar energy. Number 7. But all the same people would use petrol for their cars. Number 8. All people would bring rubbish to recycling companies. Number 9. All students would like to go to school. Number 10. Students would study subjects by watching how everything works. Number 11. All people would be friendly and positive. Number 12. Peter hopes there will be such a city in the future one day. Task 2. You can see 12 questions and 3 variants of answers, A, B, C. Choose the correct answer of 3 given. Write the letter of the correct answer at the number of the question. For example, number 1. What buildings would be in Peter's city of dream? A. High with small roofs. B. Low with large roofs. C. Not high with large roofs. In the text we read that houses would be not very high and the roofs would be large. So the correct answer is C. Put C at number 1. Go on by yourselves. Number 2. What streets would be in Peter's city of dream? A. Street without trees. B. Street with trees. C. Street with shadow from the houses. Number 3. How much rubbish would there be in the waste bins? A. Very little. B. Only in waste bins. C. No rubbish. Number 4. Why would all streets be very clean? A. They'd clean all streets in the morning. B. They would dig all rubbish in the ground. C. All rubbish would be recycled. Number 5. What energy would be used in the city? A. From the sun and the earth. B. From wind and the sun. C. From oil and the sun. Number 6. Where would solar energy be accumulated? A. On the top of the houses. B. In the field. C. At power stations. Number 7. What kind of homework would be given kids at school? A. All homework at school. B. No homework. C. Very little homework. Number 8. What could people listen in intellectual clubs? A. Lectures. B. Literature works. C. Music. Number 9. Why would-be hospitals have emptied? A. People would feel well. B. They would have too many hospitals. C. When people were ill, they would stay at home. Number 10. What could people do after their work? A. Have one more job. B. Relax. C. Gather litter. Number 11. What could people develop after work? A. Physical abilities. B. Intellectual abilities. C. Creativity. Number 12. What does Peter think about his dream? A. He thinks all dreams may come true. B. He thinks one dream may come true. C. He thinks no dreams may come true. You may stop the video anytime you need to read it one more time. Wish you good luck and excellent marks.